Hi, Mark. How's day going?
Hey, Elena.
50 newsletter ideas in seconds, all polished, all useless. How do I do it?
Let me guess. Because you treated it like a vending machine. You put in a prompt and expected a miracle.
Whew, I didn't know.
That's the trap. It's not a shortcut, Mark. It's a partner. You have to drive the car.
So how do I fix it?
Okay, context set. Now what?
Now, break the pattern. Use reverse brainstorming. Ask it, how could we ensure this newsletter fails miserably?
Exactly. Now use Scamper to pressure test them. Make the AI our toughest critic.
Wow, okay, these angles are actually original.
See, structured brainstorming. You do the thinking, the AI just expands your reach.
Thanks, Jeff. This actually feels like a roadmap now.
Stop collecting random ideas. Start building a strategy. For the full 2026 brainstorming guide, visit SmartSite Innovations.